Okay, the first thing we are going to do is we first of all verify our orientation of our image. We go to view, we go to reset, we go to T on compass, go to view, reset T on compass. Okay, now I will deactivate the sample zone as I earlier said, all the sample data. Okay, and now I will come somewhere else. Let me say my project starts somewhere. Yes, let me start here. And let's say this is where the project starts. At the entrance, at the entrance to the Silica stand 9. Okay, now what we are going to do is I'm going to, by default, by place mark, I'm going to place coordinate of point from 1, 2, 3, 4 on this image. So I'm going to, the coordinate will help me to georeference the image. As I earlier said, this image is not yet, if this image, if when we are manipulating, you're going to notice that when we are manipulating, when we are moving the cursor, you're noticing that below the coordinates are changing. Yes. But the moment we download this image, we are going to lose the geographic attribute. So for us to calculate the coordinate, to recalculate the coordinate, we need some sample coordinate that we are going to use to georeference the image. So we are going to, by default, we are going to place our place mark at the 4 angles of our zone of interest. So we are going to name this one. Let me see. We are going to get rid of the untitled like this. Then we copy the coordinate eastern, copy the coordinates y. Okay. Same thing will be done with the on the left hand corner of our satellite image, or the right hand corner of our satellite image, sorry. We're going to copy the coordinate. So at the end of the day, you're going to have something like this. The coordinate of points at the four corners of our image. So we can go now to File, Save Image. Save image. Then we see this table that comes out, options.
Save as save image.
Yes. 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 Then this map options, we want to get rid of the titles. We don't need the legend, the scale, the compass. We don't need it for now. Then we go now to, I came here. You see, I just deactivated the map options. You see, this I just deactivated the title and legend. Just be clicking, it is going just and so on.
Compass.
Yes.
Compass
Not needed. Then now you just go outside, just click out. Okay. You go now again, you see, you come here, you take the maximum resolution, maximum.
Maximum. Okay, resolution.
Yeah, you see maximum. You ever see the maximum?
Yeah, maximum resolution, that's one.
Yeah, you take maximum. Then you can now save your image. And before saving your image, you come back to view. You come to view, you come to reset to see if your image is still to the north. Tilt and compass.
Geospatial.
Yes, you take tier and compass, you click on tier and compass. Yeah, have you click on it? Tier and compass. Now your image is now oriented to the north. You can now save it. If we do not orient our image to the north, there will be some sort of distortion when we collect fields, data in the field and want to overlay.
Okay.
Yes. So now we can save our image now. And
The name of the company.
you can create a folder. I'm going to name the image 1 forest. Okay. So we go to the next point. Extensions point below. Make sure that all my coordinates are still visible. They are visible. We can read them. Now the y coordinate here. If it is going to pose a problem, okay, I can use just one of the coordinates.
So we are going to choose another point.
Yes, we are going to do what they call one to mosaic. One is just called a mosaic. That means we want to assemble the images. Let it be continuous. Yes. So that means that when we stop, we are going to continue. When we stop with the first image, the coordinate of when we stop, we are just going to continue. Let's say we stop here. We stop with the first the point to connect the the point
Yeah.
the one we enter.
What
This is the point.
25 is one.
So we can say we can continue next.
Okay.
Yes.
Continue
Take this.
this one.
Yeah. But then we can just have this coordinate here and here. So like let it continue. You can pull this one down. You can put this. Wait. You can take. You can take one and here. So let's. Because most of the time you may be working in an area that is too vast. You will need so many, might need so many coordinates, so many images, maybe 3 or 4 images. But you don't want the images to have some gap, or you want them to be like in the continuous way so that you can continue. If it was a road that was continuous, or a river, you can continue to digitize and create a river.
Okay. I've added the two points.
Okay, you can save.
So I'm finished.
File, save image. Then now you verify your tier and compass. The north must be oriented to the north. Then now I can save, you verify your maximum resolution. It is there by default, it's already there. I can save an image. I can save it in the image forest, image 2. I just put image 2 and save. next step now, we are going to open our QGIS. When working in QGIS, it's always good that we create a working folder. So in fact, when working, it's good that we create a working folder so that all our work will be saved in the folder. So we can go on our desktop. For me, my working folder, I have a folder, a Geospatial project, and I've created another subfolder inside the folder, Forestry. That is where all my forest work is on doing, except for all my forest work. But now each time I still want to create another subfolder and name it working folder. So you can create a model folder on your desktop. You name it Geospatial project. Yes. Yeah. I see when I look over here in ArcGIS, I'm going to see in QGIS, I'm going to see something like uh, I'm going to see something like untitled project. Untitled project QGIS. You look here, you're going to see it. Look up at the right up. Untitled project. You see something like untitled project. If you look right up at the extreme end, yes, we want to create a project. So we can come to project, we can save, come to for project, you click on save. Then you go on your desktop, you look for that Geospatial project. Are you there? Then you click on inside working folder, go on working folder. Yes. Okay, okay, no, you should okay, we start working folder. I want to create another, I want to save this one. I'm going to name it Georef, yeah, Georef and Moyoka. Then now up here, my project has been created, Georef Moyoka. I want to georeference our images, the images we saved. So we are coming now to layer. You go to layer, you click on, you go down, you will see georeferencer. On layer, you see data source management, create layer. You're listening now. You click on georeferencer, another window opens. You come up here, just at the left hand corner, you see open raster. Just look at the look here. You click there. You look for where your data, where you saved image one forest. You must know where you save the data. Seven two seven and so on. 465454.01 to the first coordinate. When I'm done, you go to the second coordinate. So coordinates are gone, let me go to the third coordinate. I will use the extension, which is 52144.32. Go to the 457087.55. We go to the next coordinate, which is the third coordinate. Reduce the zoom to avoid errors. 541 to limit errors. 328.89 456 864 0.29. Enter all the coordinates. Point. Command is found in zone 32 north, not hemisphere. What? Yeah, between zone 32 and 33, towards the north, we have the 33. Yes. The projection of command where we use is World Geodetic System 1984, Universal Chambers method. So to define a projection, we come here on there's this icon. We click on it. For me, I've been using it. So if I come there, I'll just see the projection of Cameroon, especially here in the southwest, the zone 32. But you have to come and I would take zone 32. I'll come and look for zone 32 at once for you. I'm coming there because I'll come and look for it. Let me come and look for it. Our projection has been defined. The destination of our output, we're going to take Georef, register, then OK. Then now we can load. We come here, start georeferencing. You see this? When you look down here, you see the image that I have in georeference. You look down here, you see the coordinate. If you look down here, if you look at my screen, you see the coordinate now. You are moving the coordinate has coordinate changing. Yes, if coordinate, you look down here. So this is the image of georeference. This image now, you can overlay, you can go to the field collect GPS or coordinate of point in the field and overlay there before on the geographic position. So this image has been georeferenced. Yes. So we can see it now. We can go now to we can open we can open the first window, the georeference window. Let's open the georeference window to georeference the second image. So we have 3 images now. Yeah, the other window. Are you there? The other window, you remember that you just minimized, it's not closed. We're going for image 2. Forestry. So this is my image 2. Yeah, there. Okay, that's good. Let's just use your referencing now. You can just be following the steps if you are missed. Yeah, zoom, same step, enter this coordinate. Please, just if there's an issue, you just signify me. So you see, this is my image, this is a continuity. You see, you look at my screen, you see how it falls, the continuity. So this is like a mosaic. Let us go to ArcGIS. I'm going to open my ArcGIS. I'll see in some, my own is in English, it's fair, it's in English and teach. It's not title.
Like this.
You have on title, yes, on title. So I want to give a title, same thing like in QGIS. In QGIS, I'll come to save,
Go to save on the
or file, save,
go to file.
save.
Save.
Yeah, under you look for the folder. You look if yours is under working folder. Is it under working folder? Geospatial project working folder.
Okay, to go on and save.
They save. Click on save.
Okay. Save.
What do you have?
Save. I need to save.
I'm going to name it, give a name Forestry Morioka. Then I'm going to save. What we want to do is we want to upload the geographic images. So I'm going to add data. I'm going to click there. A new window will open. Now, you have never used that window or that folder you're working on. You have never used that folder on in ArcGIS. So you have to connect that folder to ArcGIS. You come here, you're going to see connect folder. If you look there somewhere, you're going to see connect folder. When you click on connect to folder, you look for your desktop. For your bureau, mine is bureau. You look for desktop. Have you seen desktop? Then have you seen your special project? Look for your special project.
Click on it.
Then you go now, you click on data. All this one will still on data now. Yes.
Data. Okay.
Yes, okay. Have you seen the images? Okay, we are going to click on we are going to select, we are just going to select all the geographic images. I don't think this is it. Just put for forestry. I'm going to select, I must make sure I select by the geograph, the ones that end with geograph. Because those other ones now have a coordinate attribute. You cannot work with, you cannot select image forest JPEG. You have to select the images that have, the images that you're following your reference. So what we are going to do is, well, let me select it. Let me select it. You go to part. You go to select and select two images and we'll take your click on control.
Control.
Yes, take that one. Yes, take okay. Up. Yes. Yes.
Yes, again.
Yes, again. There are two images. You have to build a pyramid. Okay, those are the images.
So one is one line.
Let me see what you have there. Yes, it's okay. Look at the coordinate. The coordinates below, the coordinates are in meta now. We always have to verify the coordinate.
Yes.
It's okay now. Okay, the coordinate is okay now. So what we are going to do now is we are going to see how we are going to upload our data, field data now. We have our Excel field data. Let us go now to our Excel field data. So you open your Excel file. So we make
It was the first data that we used.
the standard data, the data I give you, the sample data. Open the Excel data, Excel. We are going to save the data. We are going to file. Then we are going to save as. I'm going to save it on the. I make sure I save it in my phone. I go on my Geospatial project. I look at my Geospatial project. I don't want my data. I don't want my data to be scattered. Yeah, you go to data. Yes, save. No, not save yet. Not save yet. You have not yet saved now. Make sure you save the save the text style should be CSV, comma delimited. V, comma delimited.
Save as like save.
CSV, comma delimited.
Okay, CSV.
No, comma delimited. You look for comma delimited as it is there.
Okay. Comma.
You-
CSV comma.
yes, that's what you're going to take. Then you save.
Save it now.
Yes. Then you can now minimize the window. You can close it. You can close it. You go back to ArcGIS. Are you there? You go to data. You go to add data. Yes, you look for the file you just save, the Excel file that you save as CSV command delimited. Let's go to file save so that next class we can continue. We can see the database imported. Okay. You can see the data. Okay. Okay, we can go now to